Hi students, welcome to Alpha Session Mathematics. Now observe here students, this one is find shortest distance between the curves y square is 4x and the other equation given. All of you familiar with this equation? What is this equation? It's nothing but a circle equation, right? And now once they have asked you about shortest distance between these two curves, in previous session we have done problems where the two curves are images of one another with respect to the line y equal to x. But here the case is different. It is not in that way. One is a parabola and the other one is nothing but a circle. Then how to do this type of problem? Clearly you can observe the diagram students. The diagram is nothing but y square equal to 4x curve if I draw. So this one is our curve, y square is 4x, right? This is 0, 0. And this value here 4a is 4. So a is 1. And what about here center of this circle? Center is nothing but 0, 12 and radius is nothing but under root of what is the value? 144 minus 128. Okay, the formula if you apply it is nothing but 16 and therefore root 16 means the value is here 4. Therefore you got now equation of circle with center 0, 12 and radius 4 implies the circle is exactly here on center is on y-axis. So somewhere here, suppose let us take here circle. Okay, so center is here 0, how much? 12 and radius is nothing but what here? 4. So this is the radius, suppose you take it is here 4. Center we are denoting as C. Okay, so this is center and radius 4 we got. Now what is our observation? How to find here the shortest distance between them? The concept is the same. Of course here we are not involving the line y equal to x, but here concept is the same. That means for shortest distance the two tangents must be here parallel. Okay, so where they are coming parallel? Exactly here if you take this is the tangent and again here this is the other tangent which are exactly parallel. Okay, so these are the tangents you can observe which are parallel. Now this is our requirement. That means this is exactly our shortest distance path. Okay, so if I take this point as here P and this one as here suppose Q. So how to find here the distance PQ? Now once a circle is there in our problems, concept is very easy because you know here the normal of a circle always passes through center of the circle. Just by taking that point we can solve so many problems. So what is the main concept students here? The normal of circle always passes through its center. Okay, now what about here the normal? So how to get the normal? If these two are tangents, now I am taking this at this parabola to this parabola at the point P. This is the tangent suppose. Then I am taking to this parabola the normal equation. Okay, so this one is 80 square 280. That is which point here? A means it is 1. Therefore it is nothing but t square 2t. Okay. Now the tangent, this is the tangent you got and what is the normal at t exactly? So normal to the parabola students, I am taking normal at t to the parabola. Okay, to the parabola y square equal to which one here? 4x is equal to what is the formula? Y plus xt equal to 2at plus at cube. But here that a value is nothing but 1. So this is our normal equation. But this normal is not only normal to the parabola, it is normal to even circle also. Because of what reason? The two tangents are exactly parallel. So here whatever the normal you have chosen at Q, that is even normal, it is nothing but at P also. Moreover it is to the circle also. Okay, therefore this is only in case of shortest distance. As requirement is shortest distance, therefore in shortest distance case, what is happening? This normal is also, understand, this normal is also normal to which one? is also normal to circle. Okay, is also normal to circle. Therefore immediately you can make use of the concept that is normal passes through center, implies this normal must pass through which one here, center of the circle. Okay, pass through center of circle. And what is center of circle in this problem, students? It is nothing but 0, 12. Okay, so now let us substitute here 0, 12. So here this is 12 equal to 2t plus this is nothing but t cube. Okay, that implies here you got t cube plus 2t. Okay, and next value here it is minus 12 is equal to 0. Then we apply here, all of you know how to solve this one by using trial and error method. Now suppose if I put t value as 2, then this value is how much? 8 plus 4, 12. So one of the values we have taken t equal to 2. Now once you got t equal to 2 here exactly, then we use the concept of synthetic division. Of course all of you know the process. Okay, so one of the values clearly we know t is equal to 2. Now once t equal to 2, then let us observe what about the other cases. So we can't confine only with this case. Let us observe what about the other cases. Okay, so if I take 2 here and now t cube, this is 1, there is no t square, so 0, and t value it is coefficient 2 and next one is minus 12. Therefore this is 0 here, 1, and again 2 here, therefore it is 2, now 4 here, 6 here, this is 12. Therefore students you got now t minus 2 into t square plus 2t plus 6. Okay, so this is our cubic equation. But if you observe here discriminant is coming what? Less than 0. B square minus 4ac less than 0. So from this factor you are not getting any of the real value. So what is the only value for t? It is nothing but 2. Suppose sometimes you may get here also. Okay, you may get here other real values. Then what you have to consider is take each of the point, whichever distance is small, that we take as final answer. Okay, now suppose you got this value in this way. Now you got already the point t equal to 2. So if I substitute t equal to 2 here, this is nothing but how much? This point is 4, 4. When t is equal to 2, that point is 4, 4. Now what is our interest, students? It is nothing but pq. But directly again, if at all I want to find here same concept, instead of that, let's make use of here the diagram, that PQ is nothing but from the diagram how much you are getting? It is equal to CP minus what here? R. Okay, CP minus R you can write, and CP the distance between center and this one, it is nothing but 16 plus 12 minus 4 means it is 8, therefore 64 under root minus R means it is 4. And hence whatever this value, it is 80. 80 means 4 root 5 minus 4. Therefore the shortest distance is 4 into how much? Root 5 minus 1. So in this way you can find here shortest distance between a circle and parabola. Now let us see, students, one more problem with the relation of parabola and circle in the normal concept again. Now here these are not asking about the shortest distance, but they are asking about here the largest value of radius r. Okay, this is the radius r given circle equation. What is the largest value of r for which a circle falls totally in interior of parabola? Okay, it is totally in interior. What is the largest value? That means if you take parabola like this, suppose if I take a circle in this way, it is not the largest one. Okay, and if I take suppose the circle like this, then you can say here this may be here the largest one. So what about here that kind of largest, or if I consider like this, then it may not be the largest one. Okay, so what is the maximum possible largest value of radius r for which the circle, here they prescribed the center of the circle is how much here? Origin. And vertex of the circle also, vertex of parabola here, you observe they did not give us exactly origin. Okay, so what is here the parabola shape? If you consider this one is minus 4, 0 is our vertex of parabola. So this point is what here? Minus 4, 0. Okay, now suppose this is our y axis. and it is our y-axis. Now the circle center is how much given? 0, 0. Center of the circle is here 0, 0. Therefore, if I take a circle in this way, okay, the circle if I consider like this, it may or may not passing through this one, but the largest case is our requirement. Suppose this is our circle, okay, the largest one. So whatever possible here I am drawing, but you understand here what is the largest circle that can be. Totally it has to be what? In interior of parabola. It should not cross outside. So maximum case what can happen? It has to touch the parabola. Okay, maximum case it can here touch the parabola, but it cannot come outside. So totally in interior of parabola and largest, then you can understand here the circle has to touch here the parabola. Again same concept students we are going to use here, that is if you take here this is the tangent, then normal exactly at this point if you consider to this parabola, normal you consider that normal is normal even to circle also, because this is what actually common tangent of parabola as well as circle. Therefore whatever the normal of the parabola, that will be normal of even circle also. Hence it has to pass through what here? Center of the circle. Okay, so normal of parabola it has to pass through center of circle, because it is even normal to the circle also, right? So basing on that small concept we are going to solve this problem. Now here what is the equation of normal to this parabola? If it is exactly y square is equal to suppose 4ax, you know the normal equation is y plus xt equal to 2at plus at cube. This is our formula, okay, for normal at t. This is equation of normal at t you are taking, right? And now here I am taking this is the parabola, that means here what about the point vertex is minus 4 0, but let us take as it is without using translation etc. The formula all of you know, whenever in this formula if it is y minus beta whole square is 4a into x minus alpha, just replace y by how much? Y minus beta, and x by how much here? X minus alpha, rest all is as it is. So let us use the same concept here without using again concept of translation and all. So what is formula now students? First of all we observe here the tangent, okay, the tangent drawn at t, tangent drawn at t, okay, to parabola is also which one here? To parabola is also tangent to which one here? Is also tangent to circle, okay, to circle, because what is the in this case, because of what reason we are taking largest value. In bracket we write since largest value implies, the meaning is largest value meaning implies what here? The circle has to be totally in interior of the parabola. Largest value implies here the two circle and parabola must touch each other. Okay, parabola and circle they must here touch each other at that stage. Therefore we are taking this case here, and once you got this case, then what is our normal equation? Therefore that implies normal of, okay, normal of parabola is normal of which one again? Circle. Okay, normal of parabola is normal of circle at that particular point, okay, drawn at the particular point t. Now we are taking, so normal of, that is y. Y means here you are having y square, here also y square, so no change in y is as it is, plus what about here? X value, okay, x here you just replace x by x plus 4, so x plus 4 into t equal to 2at. What is our a value? 4a is 4 implies a is 1, so it is 2t plus this is t cube, right? Now this is passing through which one here? Center. So normal passes through which one here? Center of circle. So passes through center of circle because of the normal concept, that is nothing but what here? 0 0. So this is 0 and x is 0 implies you got how much here? 4t equal to 2t plus what? T cube, right? That implies t cube equal to how much here? 2t. Therefore, t equal to 0 or t square equal to 2. Implies t equal to here or t square is 2. Now that means here t is plus or minus root 2. When t is 0, students, what is the point actually? Okay, when t is 0, what is actually our point? Actual parabola 80 square comma 280. Okay, 80 square comma 280. Now the point t we are taking many times, we are using the word t, implies it is 80 square comma 280 actually for y square equal to 4ax. Okay, now to this one, what is that particular point? Actually a value is 1, so t square. Understand? T square. Now what is that 4 value? The vertex is minus 4 comma 0. Minus 4 comma 0, just we add. So t square minus 4 comma. What about the ordinate? It is 2t, and to this you are adding again 0. Okay, so actual value is 80 square 280. To this just add which one actually? Plus alpha plus beta, which is the vertex. That I have taken adding minus 4 here, 0 is there, so this is the point. And this point is exactly this one. Okay, so what is the point you got here? It is t square minus 4 comma what is the value? 2t, right? And now what about here? Distance between these two, that is nothing but our largest radius. Understand all of you? Now suppose you got t value as 0. T is 0. If I substitute, what is the value you got? Minus 4. Now suppose minus 4 is the radius, that means 4 is the radius. Okay, once 4 is radius, let us observe at root 2 value, that is t square equal to 2 also, let us observe. Then what about the distance? That means t square I am taking now 2. Okay, t square is 2 means t equal to plus or minus root 2. Our interest is largest value of radius. So t square is equal to 2 implies t is plus or minus 2 root 2, and you can consider any of the values. Then what about here? Distance between those two, or let us take here point. So point on the curve. Point on curve, whether circle or here parabola, anyways you can use, because the common tangent case we have taken. Then this is nothing but how much? T square. T square means 2. 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. Okay, t square minus 4, so minus 2 comma 2t implies, suppose if I take plus value 2 root 2, and this one again radius. Radius is equal to distance between these points. If you take this is C and this one is P here, CP is equal to, so what is the point here? CP is nothing but how much you can get? This is under root of 4 and plus this is how much here? 8, right? And therefore it is nothing but 2 root 3. So students, you can observe 2 root 3 you got here, that implies 2 into what is the value here? It is 1.7, and here radius value. Okay, and here you got this kind of distance. Hence we can observe here what about the exact maximum value. Okay, so distance formula we have applied, and what is the distance formula from here to here? It is 4 here, and the other value is here 2t. Sorry, 2t means what is this value? This is root 2, so this is 2 root 2. And now distance formula, it is 4 plus the other value we got 8. Hence you got the answer as here 2 root 3. And in the same way you can make use of here the other point, that is nothing but what? Minus root 2 also, right? Now let's observe students the other problem. A circle of radius 5 units. Okay, a circle of radius 5 is dropped in the parabola x square is 6y. Okay, it is exactly dropped in a parabola. And how is this parabola, students? It is symmetric about y-axis. So when you dropped it, exactly if you dropped it, then this is the case of the circle. Okay, and now they are asking find center of the circle when the radius of circle is here 5 units. Okay, so this one you observe, this is exactly just like a basket you consider. And now here if this is a basket, then in that basket you are dropping a circular ball, suppose. Okay, you are dropping a ball exactly in a circle, this basket, and once it is coming in this way, it is dropping Understand? Dropic means somewhere the ends they must touch here the parabola. Okay, somewhere the ends they must touch the parabola. Moreover, the parabola it is symmetric about here y-axis. Therefore, again we can say normal must pass through here center of the circle. Okay, whatever the normal you consider, that normal has to pass through here center of the circle, and center I have taken exactly on y-axis. The reason is nothing but the parabola is symmetric about here y-axis. Okay, so the meaning dropped, you understand students, it is dropped means the center will be exactly symmetric. That means this side how much it is the portion, this side also the portion must be same. Okay, whatever the portion it is occupying this side, it should occupy same this side. Implies center has to be exactly where here on y-axis. Okay, when center is on y-axis, then simply you can make use of the result. So parabola given as here students, it is x square equal to 6y. Then what are our parametric coordinates? For x square is 6y. For y square equal to 4ax, you know the parametric are 80 square comma 280, and here those are just reversal order. Therefore, what is the reversal order if you consider? It is 280 comma 80 square. Moreover, what is 4a in the problem? 4a is 6 implies 2a equal to 3 or a equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, here 280 comma means what is the value here? 3t. Okay, 280 comma 80 square. 80 square means what is the value here? A means 3 by 2. So 3t square divided by 2. So this is the point we can consider on the parabola. Now from that point, that means at that point if you take tangent here, because they must touch here, whenever they touch, these two are touching here each other, then whatever the normal you are drawing, exactly that normal has to pass through center of here the circle. So what is the normal equation? To this parabola, the normal equation is y plus xt equal to 280 plus 80 cube, right? Now what about to this parabola x square equal to 4ay? Just interchange these two values. If you interchange, it is nothing but x plus yt equal to, okay, it is nothing but x plus yt equal to 280 plus how much it is? 80 cube. Now let us substitute a value. That implies x plus yt is equal to 2a. What is 2a? You are having 3t and plus a. A means what is our value? 3 by 2. So 3t cube divided by 2. But this normal passes through which one here? It is passing through center of the circle. Okay, passes through center. So center means which value here? It is nothing but y-axis. So passes through center of circle implies what is that value here? Implies it is intersecting which axis here? Y-axis. Okay, intersecting y-axis. As it is intersecting y-axis, therefore we write x value as 0. Implies x is equal to 0. Okay. So if you put x value as 0, then what is the coordinate here? Yt is equal to, it is 3t plus 3t cube divided by 2. So if you divide t, that means when t equal to 0, the point is exactly here. Okay. This is also students one of the normals. This is 0, 0 you got. This is also one of the normals. But the circle cannot here passing through origin, that is 0 comma 0. The reason is you are dropping that to here. The maximum case we are finding when you have dropped here the circle, it can't be exactly like this. Okay, it can't be exactly in that way. So we are taking here the maximum case. Understand? So now suppose I am taking t not equal to 0. If you have any doubt, take here t value also 0. So okay, suppose if you take t value is 0. Understand? When t is 0, one case we are taking, when t not equal to 0, if I write y equal to, what is this value here? It is nothing but 3t and plus this is t we have cancelled. So 3 plus 3t square divided by 2. Okay. Therefore, what about center coordinates here? Center coordinates are nothing but how much you got here? It is, this is x value 0 and this is 3 plus 3t square divided by 2. Then what is the requirement here? Radius already given, they asked about center. That means we need to find here t value. Okay. Now in this way, if I take here radius is equal to 5, from where we have to connect this one with the point in this way, 3t comma 3t square by 2, and this is the value you got. Suppose if I take this point as here p, then again Cp is equal to how much, students, you got? It is equal to 5, right? And then we got here the distance formula, that is 3t minus 0 whole square, it is 9t square, and next value is nothing but here plus 3 plus 3t square by 2 minus 3t square by 2, and this side I am writing 25. Let us take square. Then these two cancel here. So 9t square equal to, you got how much? 25 minus 3. Okay, but here we are having whole square, right? So this is 25, this value is 9. So 25 minus 9 value you are writing. So what is that particular value here you are getting? It is 25 minus 9, right? And then t square value we can obtain. Once you got t square, students, then we can take again t equal to plus or minus. Okay. So that implies t square is how much now? It is 16 divided by 9. That implies t equal to what here? Plus or minus 4 divided by 3. So let us substitute here this value in our requirement, that is center. So what is center now, students? It is C is nothing but 0 comma, it is 3 plus 3t square divided by 2. So let us substitute this value here, plus or minus 4 by 3, that is, this is nothing but 0 comma 3 plus t square. T square means what is the value? 16 divided by 9. So 3 into it is 16 divided by 9 and divided by 2. So like this we got. Okay. And now here 3 times it cancel, and 2 here 8 times. Therefore you got this as 0 comma 3 plus how much you got here? 8 divided by 3, right? That implies what is the center you got, students? The center you got how much? This is nothing but 0 comma 17 divided by 3. Now the other case you may think about when t is equal to 0. Okay, when t is equal to 0, what about here this one? It is 0 comma 3. Okay, and what about here if I substitute t equal to 0? That is nothing but 0 comma 0. Okay, that implies you got here 0 comma, this is nothing but when t 0, this is 0 comma 3 whenever t equal to 0, and the other point you are observing, this is if I put t 0 there, it is 0 comma 0. But if you find distance between these 2 points, you are going to get how much? 3 units. But how much they gave in the problem? It is 5 units, right? That's why we are not able to take here t equal to 0. Hence, what is the center of this circle, students? It is nothing but 0 comma 17 by 3. Now students, observe one of the standard results. Whenever S be the focus of a parabola, y square equal to 4ax, then the result is ST. What is ST here? If a tangent is drawn at the point P, okay, if a tangent is drawn at a point P meets the axis of parabola, okay, here it is of course x-axis meets the axis of parabola exactly at the point T, okay, and next what about here N? Whenever a normal is drawn at the same point, a normal is drawn meeting the axis of parabola at the point N. Then what is the conclusion? ST from focus to this point on x-axis from tangent, and SN and this SP, these 3 are all equal. Okay, so all of you know what is SP. SP is nothing but our focal distance. The formula, it is nothing but it is how much? A plus AT square. Okay, x1 plus a. So here this is a and this is our x1. So this is our focal distance formula. Now let us observe what about here ST. T is not on the curve. Again N is not on the curve. Okay, so let us observe this is the tangent drawn, all of you, at the point T to this standard parabola. When it is meeting x-axis, then here y value is 0. When y is 0, what is x value here? Minus AT square. Therefore this is nothing but minus AT square comma 0. And next one, if the normal meets again x-axis, what will happen here? Y is 0. When y is 0, what about here? X value. If you divide by t, then these coordinates are nothing but 2a plus at square. Okay, 2a plus at square comma 0. Right? And now, what about here? Your observation from S to T. From here to here, the distance is what? A. Again, from here to here, what is the distance? At square. Therefore, ST is nothing but, again, how much you got, students? It is nothing but this value also, A plus how much you got? At square. Okay, just from the diagram you can say this is yes, A value, and here it is at square, and therefore if you club that, A plus at square. And next one is Sn. Requirement is Sn. So from origin to the distance is here 2a plus at square. Therefore from S to N means it is nothing but 2a plus at square minus how much it is? A. Okay, so from here to here you are having 2a plus at square as the distance. And now only this part we require. It is nothing but how much again? A plus at square. Okay, so in this way this value also we got how much here? It is A plus at square. So students, a clear observation, if at all a tangent is drawn to a parabola and it is meeting here axis of parabola at t and normal is meeting again axis of parabola at n, then the concept is nothing but SP equal to ST equal to SN. Okay, and here don't understand P is perpendicular, that means this line is perpendicular to x-axis. It is not in that way. This is SP, not perpendicular to axis of parabola. So SP comma ST comma SN. What is here P indication? From which point? That means at what point you have taken tangent as well as normal, that is our point P. And moreover, this result is applicable for any kind of parabola, right?